Standard 8. Today we will learn some more examples of lesson number 2. First example, the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? Here I would like to explain you first. See. If it is 53, can you write like this? 10 into 5 plus 3. Clear? So this is 10 into 5 is 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. Now if you interchange the number, this will be 35. Is it clear? This is what it is shown in the example. Now let the two-digit number such that the digit in the units place is B. Now it is two-digit number. So ones place and tens place. This is also known as units place. So we are supposing let the two-digit number such that the digit in the units place is B. We are supposing this as B. Now the digit in the tens place differ by B by 3. So let us take it as B plus 3. So tens is B plus 3. Why? Because it differs by 3 and we don't know what it is, tens place. So if you take it as a box plus B is equal to 3. Therefore, this box can be B plus 3. Clear? So the digit number is 10, B plus 3 plus B. Now open the bracket, this will be 10B plus 30. 10 into 3 plus B. Therefore, 10B plus B will be 11B plus 30. Now, with interchange of the digit, the resulting two-digit number will be, now we are interchanging the digit. It will be 10B plus B plus 3 is equal to 10B, open the bracket, B plus 3 is equal to 11B plus 3. So this is first number and this is our second number. According to the question, if we add the two-digit numbers, the sum is 143. Therefore, 11B plus 30. See, this is our first number plus 11B plus 3. When you interchange, this is the new number is equal to 143. Therefore, these two are like terms. 11B plus 11B is 22B. Plus 40 into 3 is 33 is equal to 143. Therefore, 2B is equal to 143 minus 33. I have changed the place of 33 by transposing 33 to the RHS. Therefore, 22B is equal to 143 minus 33 is 110. Therefore, B is equal to 110 upon 22. 11 2s are 11 10s are 110. That is 10 upon 2, then 2 1s are 2 5s are is 5. Therefore, value of B is 5. The units digit is 5 and the tens digit is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. See, this is 5 plus 3. Therefore, the number is 85. Units digit 5, tens digit 8. So, the number is 85. Now let us check on interchanging whether our sum is 143 or not. On interchanging 85 we get 58 and the sum shows 85 plus 58 is 143. So our answer is correct. Clear? Example number 2. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. Now let Shriya's present age be x years. Then Arjun's present age would be 2x years. Why? Because it is given in the question. It is twice as old as Shriya. Now 5 years ago, see, now 5 years ago, Shriya's age would be, this is x, so x minus 5, and Arjun's age was 2x minus 5 because his present age is 2x, so 2x minus 5 years. Now it is given that Arjun's age 5 years ago was 3 times Shriya's age. See, it is given in the question. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Therefore 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 5. Therefore 2x minus 5 is equal to, we will open the bracket, 3x minus 3 5s are 15. Therefore now I have got this 15 here, that is transposing 15 to LHS and transposing 2x to RHS. Therefore 15 minus x is equal to 3x minus 2. Therefore 15 minus 5 will be 10. Therefore 10 is equal to 3x minus 2x is x. So value of x is 10. Now Shriya's present age is x years. X is 10. So Shriya's present age is 10 years. And Arjun's present age is 2x. That is 2 into 10 because value of x is 10. That is equal to 20 years. So Arjun's age is 20 years. Let us start exercise 2.4, question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 upon 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained 3 times the same number. She thought of what is the number. Now let the number be x. Now subtracting 5 upon 2 from it, she gets x minus 5 upon 2. It is given in the question. See, subtract 5 upon 2 from it. Now according to the question, we have 8. See, it is there. Multiply the result by 8. 8x bracket x minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 3 into x. See, it is given 3 times. I have already told, when times is there, you are supposed to multiply. Now open the bracket. 8 into x, 8x minus 8 into 5 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are is equal to 3x. Therefore, 8x minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 3x. Therefore, 8x minus, I have changed the place by transposing 3x to the LHS. 8x minus 3x is equal to 20 by transposing 20 to RHS. Therefore, 8x minus 3x will be 5x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 upon 5. This 5 I have got down. 5 ones are 5 fours are is equal to 4. Therefore, value of x is 4. Therefore, the required number is 4. Let's do question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the number, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So first we will suppose, let the positive number is equal to 5x because it is given 5 times. Therefore the other number is equal to x. Now according to the question, 21 is added to both the numbers. We get 5x plus 21 and x plus 21. This is 5x plus 21, here x plus 21. Now according to the question, we have, see, it is given twice the other number, other new number. Therefore 2 into x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. Now open the brackets. 2x plus 42, 2 into 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. Therefore 2x is equal to 5x plus 21 minus 42 by transposing 42 to the RHS. Now again I will bring this
5x to LHS. Therefore 2x minus 5x is equal to 21 minus 42 is minus 21 by transposing 5x to LHS. Therefore 2x minus 5x is minus 3x is equal to minus 21. Therefore x is equal to minus 21 upon minus 3. This 3 here. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Both minus minus plus. Therefore x is equal to 7. The positive number is equal to 5x. 5 into value of x is 7 is equal to 5 into 7 is 35. And the other number is x is equal to 7. Thus the required number is 35 and 7. Question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. That is 2-digit number. When you add, its sum will be 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Same example already I have taught you. Let the units digit is x. Then tens digit will be 9 minus x. Why? Because it is given sum of the two-digit number is 9. So tens digit will be 9 minus x. Now the original number is 10 bracket 9 minus x plus x. Why this multiplied by 10? Because this is tens place and this is ones place. And when you open the bracket, 10 into 9, 90 minus 10x plus x is equal to 90 minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. On interchanging the digit, the new number is, now we are interchanging it. Ones place will become tens place and tens place will become ones place. Therefore 10x plus 9 minus x is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. This is our number formed after interchanging the digits. Now according to the question we have, new number is equal to original number plus 27. See, they have given is greater than the original number by 27. Therefore 9, what is our new number? 9x plus 9 is equal to, what was our original number? See here, 90 minus 9x is equal to 90 minus 9x plus 27. Therefore 9x plus 9 is equal to 90 plus 27 is 117 minus 9x. Therefore 9x is equal to 117 minus 9 minus 9x. I have by transposing 9 to RHS. Therefore 9x plus 9x, this 9 I have brought to LHS. Therefore 9x plus 9x is equal to 108. 117 minus 9 is 108 by transposing 9x to LHS. Therefore 9x plus 9x will be 18x is equal to 108. Therefore x is equal to 108 upon 18. 2 9s are 254s are. Then again we divide 9 ones are 9 6 are 54. Therefore x is 6. Therefore original number is equal to 90 minus 9x. 90 minus 9 bracket x and value of x is 6. Therefore 9 6 are 54. 90 minus 54 is 36. So the original number is 36. Let us do question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Now again it is two-digit number. Let the digit at units place is equal to x. Then digit at tens place is 3x. The number formed will be, the number is equal to 10 bracket 3x. Why? Because this is tens place plus x is equal to, open the bracket, 30x plus x is equal to
31x. This is the original number. On interchanging the digits, the number is equal to, now we have interchanged. Place will be changed now. Is equal to 10x plus 3x. Is equal to 10 into x will be 10x plus 3x. 10x plus 3x is 13x. So after interchanging, the number formed will be 13x. Now according to the question, we have 31x plus 13x is equal to 88. See, they have given. You get the number 88. Therefore, 31x plus 13x is equal to 44x is equal to 88. Therefore, x is equal to 88 upon 44. Therefore, 11 4s are 11 8s are. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. The number is equal to, what is the original number? 31x. 31 into x. So what is the value of x now? 2. So 31 into 2 is 62. So the answer is 62.